Right, so what I've done is I've taken that down roughly, well, it's just under half there, and then just over half there, so because we've got the curve of the wood, so that looks quite good. I don't know if you can see, I've left a little bit proud there because I want that to go sort of indent up and then come back down. So that's why I've left that proud there. So let's get a pencil and just mark that up. So obviously we're going to have a ring there. So one there. And then one there. So hopefully we're going to get it. I don't know whether to do this in a bit here, up to this one, to give it a bit of a 3D effect. What do you reckon? Yeah, let's go for it. Let's be a little bit adventurous, as they say. So I'm just going to take that in a little bit to this line to give me a little bit of a sort of dip in and then come back out a little bit. Just got to finish this one here a little bit because we've got a bit of a flat spot there, so I'm just going to turn that one out a little bit more on that one, and then hopefully we'll be ready to sand her up and see what we're going to do, whether we're going to colour it or whether we're going to leave it as it is or not. I'm not 100% sure yet. Dead man walking. You know her too well, Glenn, you know her too well. I've locked the door to the garage so she can't get in anyway. drawings of these colours is you need several coats to get the colour there, if you know what I mean. But like I say, when we'll get as far as we can with the lathe. I need to be finished before Dale comes on at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, sorry. So I'll get as far as I can between now and then I'll finish it off and then get some pictures up of it finished. But we'll go as far as we can now. So what I've done is I've rubbed a bit of that bronze embellishing wax into that green, just to bring it out, and it's brought it out quite nice actually. So what do you guys reckon? A bit of silver or a bit of pearl in the middle here. So, should look something like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for making it to the end. There may be a couple of videos down below that you might be interested in. If you do, pop over and check them out. Also, if you're a subscriber to the channel, then thank you very much for your continuous support. And if you're not a subscriber to the channel, then pop over and click this link here to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified for all my latest uploads. So anyway guys, take care, speak to you soon.